unsettled accounts, and block blessings. Exodus 20:15, Romans 13:8, and Real Hoodoo alignment. Peace and power. I'm Lord Augustus, and this is Real Hoodoo, the covenant-rooted, land-based system of wisdom. Today I'm teaching on something most people never connect. Exodus 20:15, Romans 13:8, and why so many people approach hoodoo looking for blessings while carrying unsettled issues with themselves and others. Let's start with Exodus 20:15. Thou shalt not steal. Most people hear that and think it's only about money or property. But in covenant language, stealing is much deeper. You can steal someone's peace. You can steal someone's trust. You can steal time, dignity, safety, or emotional stability. You can steal from relationships. You can steal from yourself. You can even steal from your own future. Any harm you cause that you never repair becomes a spiritual debt. And spiritual debt blocks spiritual flow. Now let's bring in Romans 13:8. Owe no man anything but to love one another. This is not just about financial debt. This is about unsettled obligations, unspoken apologies, unacknowledged harm, unresolved conflict, bitterness you refuse to release, forgiveness you refuse to offer, responsibilities you never fulfill, truth you never told, boundaries you never honored. People want blessings, but they still owe. They owe clarity. They owe honesty. They owe accountability. They owe reconciliation. They owe repair. They owe love. And scripture says, if you owe, you are not free. And if you are not free, you cannot receive freely. This is why so many people approach hoodoo spirituality incorrectly. They come looking for blessings, money, protection, open doors, and spiritual power. But they have unresolved conflict, broken relationships, unhealed wounds, unpaid emotional debts, and unrepaired harm. They want results without repair. They want fruit without pruning. They want increase without integrity. They want hoodoo to fix what their character is still breaking. But real hoodoo is covenant-based. And covenant requires clean accounts. You cannot receive with dirty hands. You cannot harvest with unpaid debts. You cannot walk in blessing while walking in harm. You cannot claim protection while causing destruction. You cannot ask for peace while creating chaos. Covenant is not magic. Covenant is alignment. And alignment requires repair, responsibility, reconciliation, honesty, humility, correction, and truth. Most people don't need a blessing. They need to settle accounts. Most people don't need a ritual. They need to repair relationships. Most people don't need a candle. They need to stop stealing peace. Most people don't need a spell. They need to owe no man anything. Once the accounts are clean, the blessing flows naturally. This is real hoodoo. The covenant of clean hands, clean accounts, and clean relationships.